Tita Saikis play.
Hi.
And sabi ni Tita Saiki, this is the most popular and the best pad thai
in Ratanaburi.
Wow! And look at here, we are eating and in a walk.
In a pan.
Oo. Hindi walk na W-A-L-K o W. Walk. W-O-K.
It's so cute here.
Yes. So look at their pad thai. They have one shrimp. Ano to?
Squid.
Squid, one. And lots of sprouted beans. Wow. And the best,
Chicharon.
chicharon.
Chicharon. Let's eat.
Let's eat. Yummy.
You need to open.
Glad I got that.
It's your first time to eat that? Okay.
Yeah.
Sabi niya. Gusto niya yung first
Yeah. That's sister's first time to go here.
First time?
Yes, first time to eat pad thai.
So, enjoy.
So, ayan, may kalan sila.
Me too.
While eating, they are cooking. Sine, this is the stove. And this is your wok. Let's eat.
Okay, I
Aloy, may ha?
no, I'm cooking and eating.
Okay, this is the pad thai.
Ano yung mas mayayin ito?
Look how I cook. Yummy.
Good?
Look how I cook. This one. Look how I cook. Done. This one, the flavor inside this pussy egg is good. Kapag ka, arigato.
Yung pasibul na malaki.
Ang gusto ko ng kalan. Here. Mga ganun.
Kuha ka dun. Dalawa.
Hindi yun.
At hindi. Pasok.
Kumakain kami sa pasok.
Wow!
May pasok sa'yo para pareho kayo ng anak mo.
Daddy!
Wow!
You're cooking!
We are cooking.
Daddy, his food is ready.
Yun, nilagyan ng kandila sa loob.
Cooking!
Para mahamatay yung mainit.
May flavor na yung meat niya.
Nakadobo.
That's just delicious. I cannot think this.
What's that, meat? Meat is good.
Covered with egg. With your big sea egg.
Favorite.
Favorite egg.
So, ibig sabihin yung shrimp at yung squid, kanibat na siya. Special ng special, may shrimp.
Isang
So we
shrimp.
just forgot to wrap
At my squid.
Huli ako na.
Yeah.
Do you like water?
Ayaw ko magbalat ng hilo. Oh, spicy?
Really?
Wala na yung nanay. Yung nanay yung nagbibigay.
Alive. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Never mind. Get another one.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
This is chili. This is chili. This is chili.
Is it?
It's not. What is it? It's a beans. Alloy.
Kain mo na yung hipon.
Let me see the big sea egg.
tamad akong mag...
Sa atin yung mga ganitong restaurant, hindi na kakain.
Di ba?
Medyo, ano na siya.
Arte eh. Pero nung una ko din.
Ako din. Parang,
Kaya ko, mga ano, tapos doon kakain sa mga kubo-kubo.
oo.
Parang pinag-ano na nila eh, pinagmamalaki nila eh.
It's so good, Mom.
Kasi pagkain ang inaano nila dito. Yung taste ng pagkain.
A spoon. Spoon.
Yung pala ganun talaga.
Wala. Wala silang pakialam sa ano.
It's like our spoon and fork.
Sa place. Ang ano nila is pagkain. Kung masarap o hindi.
This is a Korean thing.
Yeah. Is it a Korean thing? It's a Thai thing.
Yeah, it's like kimchi.
Korean man?
I bought my plate, so you just need to be careful.
Yeah.
Really? Yeah, this is my favorite. Here's it.
Sige na, sama-sama mo na dyan.
Mommy, where is the fly?
Fly? Where are you looking for the fly? There's no fly.
No, there is. I saw.
Oh, it flew away now.
Oh, here. Huh?
Hey, hold.
I can see by myself. Yeah.
Bago yung kayaya.
Why is not going up? This is a Korean fork. Why is not getting up? Get off some fork. In Japan, they don't use fork or spoon. Kind of. Okay, what is this? But they actually use.
Pa-record yan?
When?
Ang creamy.
There's only 4 cups and you said you don't like.
Parang hindi galit yung kinain namin last time.
Ate, why are you using so many cups? What do you
Parang
mean?
mas creamy ngayon.
Kapag lalaki nagluluto, mas pwede ka talaga.
Last namin kain dito, andito pa si Jean. Pero,
Tagal na nun.
ihatid namin si Jean.
Pick up one.
Oo.
Galing Pinas si Jean.
Parang 9 years ago na yun.
Oh, what is happening? Is this a Korean cup?
2017
Oh, this is
or 18.
Korean.
Tapos nagsara-sara. Hindi ko lang pero madalas sarado ko na. Kasi ito pala yun. Yung nagluluto yung nanay niya ata.
And this is a Japanese fork.
Hindi ko lang masanay na yun.
Just eat it. No, it's spicy. What? Yeah. How can it be spicy?
Nagluluto na yun.
Na.
Shut it up.
Minsan pa natawag si teacher, pa-deliver siya
Who's my
nag-aakit.
spoon?
Buti pinamana.
Butit na maanak.
Fork, not spoon.
Sayang.
Buhay pa yung nanay, di ba?
Ang hindi ko alam. Nasa ano. May tanong ko.
Here, it's spicy.
Hindi ka nagmamadali.
How did you eat this? This is the side and mommy. Here.
Si mami mo pang baso.
Cup.
Kakulit.
Kasul.
Hindi yun.
Oh well, I just got a bottle.
Ano matayaan?
This way.
Colorblind na siya.
Cheers. But the bottle is a string. I'll try this.
Gulay yan.
Try it.
Veggie.
Ew. How is it? Just spit it out already.
Pad Thai is also very
Yeah.
popular in Thailand. May Pad Thai restaurant na rin sa atin. Di ba?
Yeah.
Pero parang sa mga
Yung sa mall.
lang.
Sa ano, tawag dito?
Ang mahal
It's a
ng
tree.
isang order.
Batangas ano Tagaytay? Ngayon nakakita ako.
Ang tawag dito?
Finish.
Sa MOA.
Meron?
May Thai restaurant sa MOA.
Can you take it?
Ayun pa.
Ewy. No, ewy.
Uy, nakita.
Spicy. What?
It's not. Look at ate, oh.
What?
It's not spicy.
Ah, spicy.
Finish? Wow. Daan na si ate.
You like it?
But,
Cook still.
no.
No, I don't.
Sprouted beans.
Bleh. No, thank you.
What can you say?
Ate,
About the
what can you say about the pad thai?
I love spicy. Spicy.
A little bit spicy. But you like spicy, right? Pad thai here.
Aloy.
I like
Aloy.
the one in Thailand. I mean,
Mommy's duty.
sisig.
And daddy's duty. Ang kasay-say. Hindi ka na nalit. Dig in.
The ano, the finisher.
Finisher.
Tay, kinakain mo? Ano yan? May basura? Basurahan ba yan?
Sarap yung tissue.
Wait, there's no more drink for you. Daddy's.
Lemon brown.
Huh.
Hanggang kubos.
Tita Sai cannot eat on her plate.
Can't stop eating. Can't
want
stop
more?
eating.
You want? Eggy.
It was mine.
Do you like takoyaki?
Ooh. Sounds yummy.
Bakit yun nakainin? Yaki. Takoyaki-yaki.
No, mommy. So you change it to takoyaki.
Takoyami or takoyaki?
Takoyaki.
Ano yun? Tayo na sa business.
Takoyami.
O takoyami? Bye! Magsasayaw kami sa palayok. Palayok pala rin.
Kawali.
Kawali.
Mini kawali.